This is what it comes in. Looks like a 4 foot long box by probably 8 by 8. Here we are, all opened up. So you got the tarp right on top here. At least parts of it. There's one piece. So we got 2 big pieces, 3 pieces. All of our PVC corner connectors. Looks like our tie downs. And a little bit of rope. And then our poles. Oh, I was gonna say, hopefully there's directions in there, and they're right there. Yeah. That looks pretty easy, right? I think I've separated out into the little piles. 1s and 2s and 3s and 4s and 5s and 6. I didn't think they were numbered until I got about halfway done and I realized there was numbering on them. So that's nice of them to number them, right? These guys went together pretty easy. Got 1s and 2s, 3, 4 in the middle, and 3 on the end, and then 4s or 5s and 6s. So yeah, so these are the stands that it comes with. It's not even PVC. It's just I don't even know what kind of plastic this is. It was probably some thank you bags at one point. Alright, frame is up, as you can see. It's very thin and fragile. It's about what I expected. It's not better, it's not worse. It's about what I expected for the price point. I'm about to try and throw this tarp on here. As you can see, I kept moving it and poles kept coming apart, so I put a little piece of heavy duty black Gorilla tape right there on each one of the poles. So now I'm gonna try and get this guy. Well, that's it. It's up. It's definitely in here. Okay, my whole driveway is at a bit of a slant. You can tell by this, maybe. So I had to, just a little tie here just to keep it from leaning forward so much. Because like I said, it is downhill. So, but this thing is pretty nice. It really was very easy to set up. So the tarp is really nice and thick. I would recommend getting this thing for the price point it's at. Yeah. Plus I still have to put the sides on, so sweet. I haven't put the other sides on yet. I just put this door on. And I didn't even know this thing had a zipper. Just little Velcro straps along the edge there. You got yourself a front door. The zipper is actually nice quality too. You can see I'm kind of ranking on it and it's not doing anything, so as far as tearing. Yeah, that is cool.